Okay, start.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Okay. Namaste, Chitra. So, 4 people are good. Now, I'll start sharing one file. Okay. So, we have come up till. Are you all able to see this and hear me? No problem?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So, we have been looking at Sandhi. Just very quickly, we will go through what we have covered with a few, whatever it is. Then today, I have to come to Yanta Vanta Desha Sandhi. That is the. Let it be, let the slide be here. Let us go through what we have studied. What is Sandhi? Can somebody tell me in Sanskrit?
In Sanskrit.
Or in English you tell, because you will not be asked to define anything. So even in English you can tell me.
Yeah. So Sandhi is the addition of two padas where the anta padam of the anta aksharam of the prathama padam and prathama aksharam of the parapadam become something else or remain same. So that is called, and then the two padas become one padam now.
Okay, I will try to correct you. Very important correction, please note down. Sandhi is never between two padas. Okay? Sandhi is between two varnas only. Two letters only. When you are talking about two padas, it is another thing, but it is known as samasam, which will be learned as you go further. So when two padas are going to be joined together and become one padam, that is known as samasa. That samasam, for example, vidya plus alayaha, vidyalayaha. Vidyalayaha is one samasta padam. Vidya is one separate word, alayam is another separate word. But you want to tell as a single word, you join them together. And when you join in a samasta padam two padas, if there is a sandhi, you must do it. That is the rule. So Vidya plus Alayaha, when you joined, naturally Vidyalayaha, where Savarna Dirgha Sandhi has come into place automatically, because Akara plus Akara. But Sandhi per se is nothing to do with the joining the padas. It is joining the, it is not even joining. I will tell you now, there are two padas, okay, or within one pada also it can happen, but let us take, for the time being, let us take two padas. One pada has the Antima Varnam, another pada has the Prathama Varnam or Adi Varnam. Two letter, Varnam means letter, two letters are there. And I want to, Vidya Aleha, Vidya Aleha, Vidya Aleha, I want to say very fast. When I say that fast, this pronouncing very fast is known as Sannihiti. That is, they are coming closer, closer, closer. When it becomes less than half a matra, for example, you all know, no, what is the matra, this thing. For example, all the Vyanjanas, half a matra. All the swaras, eka matra. All the dirgha swaras, dvi matra. All the pluta swaras, 3 plus above. Krishna, if you call it, 3 plus of pluta, we call it. So this matra and all we know. About the first class one, I taught you about Maheshwara Sutrani, what are the various letters, etc. So when these two, Vidya and Alaya, are brought in such a close way, when you pronounce, the gap between that A of Vidya and A of Alaya is less than half, then what happens? They join together. Vidya Alaya, like that. When they join together, many times when they join together, between that two letters, nothing happens. Okay, sometimes nothing will happen. We call it as a varna melanam something. But sometimes something happens to the letters. What happens is three things only. One is adeshaha, that means shatruvat. Adesha means enemy. There are two words, Vidya plus Aleha. Now one Adesham comes, which is a Dirga Akaram. Okay, yeah, A plus A is there, but one Dirga Akaram which comes as a Shatra and removes a Akaram of Vidya and Akaram of Aleha. Dono were removed. In that place, this new Akaram comes and sits. So this is known as Adeshaha. This can happen. Naito Agamaha. Agama means friendly, Mitravat. There is one letter, something will come and sit between these two, or before that, or after that. But the two existing letter which were coming close and close, they are there still. They will not be removed like Adesha. In Agama, it is Mitravat, like a nice friend with these two letters, you will come and sit. This generally Agama never happens in Swara Sandhis. We are now learning Ach Sandhi or Swara Sandhis. In Swara Sandhi, Agama I have not seen. Only in when you go to Vyanjana Sandhi, there is one Yamudama Sandhi is there, there Agama will come. That we are going to learn Vyanjana, that time we will learn that. That is one new letter will come and sit between these two old letters. Otherwise, today you will see what is known as in Visarga Sandhi. When these two letters are coming close and close and closer, one can disappear. Okay, that is known as Visarga Sandhi. That in Visarga Sandhi only you can see this lopa. Generally, otherwise in Swara Sandhi you cannot see. So, when we learn Visarga Sandhi, you will come to know. So, what are the three things that can happen? Adeshaga, which is Shatruvat, Agamaha, which is Mitravat, Lopaha, in the case of Visarga, that is, it disappears. One letter or two letters, both may disappear or one may disappear. Something can happen. So, these are all known as Sandhi. So, Sandhi, when you say, compulsorily, Varna Vikaranam should happen. Varna should undergo a change. The change can be new one coming inside as a Shatru, or some new one will come as a friend, Adesha, Agama, or existing one may disappear, Lopa. This is what is all about Sandhi. Now, we have decided to learn about Swara Sandhi. Swaram means what? Maheshwara Sutrani, if you know, can you tell what is that Pratyahara which indicates Swaram, all the Swaras? Okay, Swaram, what are the letters in Sanskrit which comes into mind as when I say Swaram?
Vowels A, I, E, U,
Okay.
U, E,
In a
I.
Sanskrit, you don't have to say A, E and all, okay? Because the
Okay.
minute you
Acha.
say Achuvarna, as per
Okay.
Maheshwara Sutrani, Ach stands for Ich, stands for all the Swaras. Okay, Maheshwara Sutrani I have posted. If you don't know, I can again repeat it. So Maheshwara Sutrani starts with I, Un, A, I, U, In. The Nakaram you will have to repeat. It is Lopaha, we call it. I, Un, Rilik, Ril, okay, lyric, A, Ong, A and O, I, ouch. So I and ow. So A starts, ends with the ich. If you take it, entire swaras are covered. So we call as Achu Varnaha or Swara Varnaha. So Ach Sandhi also we call it, or Swara Sandhi also we call it. This is what about Swara. Okay. So Swaraha we have defined. Now we are going to look at the Swara Sandhi. In that first Swara Sandhi we learned is Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Here this is very important. What is Savarnam? Why akaram is akarasya savarnam? So now in the beginning, madam, somebody was telling I told you don't have to say. When you say merely as per Panini Sutram, the hrasva akaram will automatically pull the dirgha akaram. Okay. So whenever in Panini Sutram you say it means okay, yeah, because they are savarnaha. Now you will ask, what is the term? I told you in Panini, Gunam means not our normal gunam. It means what? A, O. In Panini, Vriddhi means not growth. It means A, I and Au. So everything is very technical. In Panini Sutram, normal English or normal language which he use doesn't apply. That's why he has put the Sutra Padaga, he has put a Paripasha Sutram, everything is there. As you grow further, we can learn all those things. So like that, just now what I was telling is Panini has defined what is Savarnam. Savarnam means Akaram is Savarnam to Akaram. Akaram is Savarnam to Akaram. What is this Savarnam? As you know, in the beginning we learned Ucharana Sthanam. Okay. Akuha Visarganiyaha, Kantaha, Ichoyasanam, Taluhu. Like that we were in the, before starting Sandhi, one class I allotted for this. So what does it mean? Each Varnaha has a Urpati Sthanam. For example, A, I, O, that A starts with Kantaha. E starts at Talu. Talu means the upper portion of the mouth. Like that we know. So, Savarnam means there is two Varnas. A starts with Kanta means A also starts at Kantaha. Then you will say A and A started. So they are Savarnam. Not only that, the Prayatanam you are putting. See, for example, Ka, you simply say Ka. Some second Ka, how do you say Ka? Like that you put effort and say. So, Tulyasa Prayatanam. Two letters are said to be Savarnam when they are starting in the starting point. Ucharana sthanam is same and prayatanam of telling them is also same. So this is known as Savarnam. So for Akaram, Akaram is the Savarnam. Akaram is the Savarnam. Ikaram is the Savarnam. Like that. So Savarna Dirgha Sandhi is one Sandhi. The Savarna Dirgha Sandhi is otherwise known as Ekadesha Sandhi. Eka Adesha Sandhi. Adesha means something is coming. And it is only one thing is coming. But it replaces two letters. When one Adesham comes and two replaces two letters, that is Purva Varnasya Antima Varnam, Purva Padasya Antima Varnam, Parapadasya Adi Varnam. Dono were removed and one comes and says it is known as Ekadesha Sandhi. Okay. So Savarna Sandhi, Guna Sandhi, Vriddhi Sandhi, these are all Ekadesha. These three are Ekadesha Sandhi. Yan Sandhi, it is not Ekadesha. If you tell the definition, you yourself will say, no madam, it is not Ekadesha. We will go to that. So in the Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, what we learnt, Purapadasya Antima Varnam, Parapadasya Prathama Varnam, those were removed and replaced by the Savarnam. Savarnam of these two letters. Okay. So Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, can it be applied to A, O, Au, Ouch? Can it be applied? It can never be applied. Because Savarna Dirgha Sandhi is applicable only to first this one. Akara, Akara, Ikara, Ikara. I am in the class. I am the class. So Akara, Akara, Ikara, Ikara, Ukara, Ukara, Rikara, Rikara, L is there, but L doesn't have a long letter. You know, na, Dirgham is not there for Rikaram. So in that place, you can put a Rikaram. That is what Panini Maharishi has told. Okay, this much you understood, no? So Savarna Dirgha Sandhi we have covered. It will be Puravarnam, Paravarnam should be only Savarnas. Akara, Akara, or Ikara, Ikara, or both Hrasva Ikara, both Dirgha Ikara. One is this, one is that. Whatever you call it, the Savarnam will be taken care and the Dirgha Savarnam is the Adesh. That is why Dirgha Savarna Sandhi. Remember, all the Sandhis are named by the Adesha. What comes decides the name of the Sandhi. Okay, yeah. For example, Dirgha Savarna Sandhi, that letter which is going to be the Dirgha letter of the Savarnam will come and replace. So its name is Dirgha Savarna Sandhi. Then second what we saw is Guna Sandhi. Guna Sandhi, can some Umaji, can you tell? Definition in your own language you can tell, not necessarily Sanskrit. Guna Sandhi. Anybody? Swapna ji or Sir or Chitra, whoever wants to tell. Guna Sandhi. First tell me what are the Guna letters? Guna letters.
A plus E is equal to A.
That is?
A plus U is equal to O. The subsequent swaras resulting in the next subsequent swara. Is that my understanding correct?
That's still what is the name of the Sandhi? I told you Guna Sandhi.
Guna Sandhi.
So what is the Guna? Why the name has come? Some Guna letters are coming. Name of the Sandhi is the Adesha name. Don't forget that. So what are the Guna letters? It is Akaram, Ekaram, Okaram. These three. It is what Panini has. I don't want to tell the sutras, but it is better you learn the sutra. In the first two classes, I was trying to put the sutras, but I thought maybe it is too much for you because I never learned during this period. Later on, you have to learn. So, Aten Gunaha. At Gunaha, That is what how the guna sandhi takes place. Guna letters. Yang letter. Yang means AO. Okay, A, AO. Adeng gunaga is the guna letters. At gunaga is the guna sandhi ka sutram. Don't worry about those two things. Now, guna letters you remember in your mind. Akara, ekara, okara. When I say akaram, it includes a and a. I told you, no? In case sometimes you want to say, madam, I don't want, when I say a, I don't want to include akaram, because this Panini says akara, akaram or savarnam, they will come together. But I want to only mention akaram. I don't want to mention akaram. So when I say a, I tell you, automatically akaram will come, because savarnam is grahanam. It will take it. No, stop it. Then after, for example, you want to only mention hrasva akaram, you have to put one takaram after that. If you say at or at, if you put it only that letter. When I say at, if I say, I have removed the akaram from that. That is known as tapara, that is taparaha, like that one. This is the for the time being. For the time being, only akaram you take it. If you want to say, after akaram, put takaram. This is one rule. You will be extensively using it as you go further. Just I want to tell you. Naito, when you say akara, it will be always bringing the akaram along with it. That is what grahana rules are there. It will pull it by itself. Now, guna sandhi, guna letters are a, o. So, wherever a comes, or a comes, or o comes, that sandhi is guna sandhi. As sir rightly told, purva padasya antima varna can be either akara, a means akara or the akara. Dono is allowed. Parapadasya pratama varnam can be ik varnam. Ik varnam means what is as per Panini Sutram, Maheshwara Sutrani, Ivu Ik varna means Ivu Ach means all the swaras we learnt, no? Here Ik varna means Ivu. So after akaram in the Purvapadam, Parapadasya pratama varnam becomes either E or V or R. Then these things, that is AO will come inside. Now I'll tell you. A plus E. A here means either A or A. Both are allowed. A plus E will become A. Guna letter will come. A plus U will become O. Another guna letter will come. Then Rikaram has to come. In the case of Rikaram, Uran Raparaha, like that one formula is there. Don't worry about the formula number or the formula. Remember, Rikaram will become Ar. Hrasva A plus Ir in Gunasandhi. Okay? Mahan plus Rishihi. If I say Mahan, this one, Maha. Rishihi, what it will become? Mahala, Akaram is there. So it is there. So both should be replaced. Mah plus Akaram Maha plus Rishihi. R will be replaced by Ar. So Mahar Shihi. Maharshihi. So Purvapadasya antima varna akara akaram, parapasya pratama varnam, dono are removed in the place. Either A or O or R will come and sit. This is Gunasandhi. Any doubt in Gunasandhi, you can ask me now. Any doubt if you are getting, you tell me. It is better to get a doubt. But if you already done Gunasandhi, I don't know. In Pravesha, Sandhi was not there, no? I don't think. Okay.
We have done it in our primary school in our language. So there is memory,
Sandhi.
but
Okay.
it's refreshing.
It's good, na? If you are saying. So, Devarshihi. Uma, Devarshihi. This is a padam after doing the sandhi. What is the padachedam?
Deva plus R. So it becomes
Rishi.
it
Deva
becomes R.
Okay. Very good. Similarly, Paramatmeti. Paramatmeti.
Sorry, Paramatma.
Plus iti.
A.
A has become, so it should have been E originally. So Paramatma plus iti will become Paramatmeti. A has come, no? Like
so you have, ma'am, so you have A or A plus E or E, it becomes A.
R, A plus E
E
only
or
will
E
become
becomes A.
O.
Or A plus U or U becomes O.
O, correct.
Or A plus R becomes R.
R. That's all. Only
Plus A plus R becomes
L.
Al.
Al also, but very rare and very we have not seen much, but if it is there, al can come. Correct. There are a lot of things I can say. Tvaya plus uktam. Madam Swapna ji, Tvaya plus uktam.
Vaya A plus U
Hmm.
becomes
O.
O, right? Vayoktam,
Very good. Tvayoktam. You actually split the letters in your rough notebook immediately. Tvaya, it plus va plus e plus a. Because a will go away, u will go away. So here what is left out? E is left out. Yale e. E plus u yo. So tvayoktam. यकारस्य योकारं होता है त्वयोक्तम देन सर काक प्लस उलुकव काक प्लस
Kaka
उलुकव
Ulakav, Kakolakav.
काकोल काकोलकव ओके काको
Kakol.
sorry la do cow okay next paramatma you have told ज्ञात्वा plus upasya
Plus Upasya. Nyatwopasya.
ज्ञात्वोपास्य नरकस्य इदम्
Yeah. Yeah. Plus E. Narakod. Narak.
E vanda A only will come.
Oh, A. Narakedyam. What did you say?
Narakasya idam.
Idam. Narakedam.
Kas will be as it is, it will be there. Narakas E will E
Oh,
will
Narakas.
Narakas edam. Sapta plus
Narakas Edam.
correct. Sapta plus Rishayaha. Sapta plus Rishayaha. Now R has to come.
Plus R. Saptarshayaha.
Saptala it only is left out. Sa ip it. You have to remove. Isn't it? Because it is
Sapta.
Ekadeshaka. So Sapt plus Ar. So Saptar. You are putting Saptar plus Shayaha. Because R is not no Shayaha. Saptar Shayaha. Mahar Shayaha. All those things like this way you have to tell. Okay, yeah. So this much about Guna Sandhi we have learnt. Now comes to Vriddhi Sandhi. Sir, can you tell Vriddhi Sandhi? What are the Vriddhi letters first? I told you name is Vriddhi Sandhi because Vriddhi letters are coming.
Ruddhi is like an extra A is coming, like S shape.
No. That is, you are talking about S is Purva Rupa Sandhi. They don't go into it. Now, Vriddhi, what are the Vriddhi letters? Like A, O is Guna letters. Similarly, there is Vriddhi letters. Akaram, A, okay. I, Au. ஏஓ இந்த இடத்துல ஐ ஔ ஆகாரம் plus I and au. These are all known as vriddhi letters. They will come and sit. Okay. So vriddhi sandhi, when the name is vriddhi sandhi because vriddhi letters are going to come and sit. So vriddhi letters, what are the vriddhi
What
letters?
do you mean by vriddhi? What is vriddhi?
Vriddhi is the technical name given by Panini to 3 letters, 3 varnas.
Okay.
They are
So the varnas.
Akaram, okay, Aikaram, Au. I told you in the beginning, you can go through the first introduction. In that, we have defined Vriddhi Radhaich, means what are the Vriddhi letters. Atayin Gunaha, what are the Guna letters. You don't worry about the formula if you cannot remember, but this much you can remember. It is a technical name. It is not normal Gunam, normal Vriddhi. In the beginning, I told you, no, Vriddhi means we think it is growth. That is not Panini says when he says Vriddhi. When he says Vriddhi, he denotes to 3 letters only. What are the 3 letters? Akaram, Aikaram, Aukaram. So when these letters are coming and sitting in, that is known as Vriddhi Sandhi. Okay, yeah. When that can happen? Okay. Now for Guna Sandhi, what you have taken? Purvapadam, Akaram அல்லது Akaram, Parapadam, Ikaha, Ivu, Rulu, you have taken. After that, what is left out? A, O, I out. Remember, always remember your Achivana. Write down. Full you write down. So, up till Gunam, you have taken Ikaha, Ivu, Rulu, you have taken. Then what is left out? A, O, I out. So, A, O, I out can be in the Pratama Varnam of the Parapadam. Okay? So, Purvapada, Vriddhi letters ka Purvapadam has to be only Akara, Akaraha. Okay? Parapadam can be A, O, I, ouch. Please write down. If it is there in this one, but you go through it once more. A, O, I, ouch can be in the Parapadasya Pratama Varnam. So, Akaram asti Purva Varnasya last letter. Parapadasam Ekaram asti said. What is the Vriddhi letter can come? Akara, Ekara, Vriddhi letter. Ekarasya Vriddhi letter is Aikaram. That is why I alone can come. If Akara, Akara, Prataka, Okaram asti chete, what is the Vriddhi letter? Au only can come. If already I is there, that is in the Parapadasya Pratama Varna, I is there, Purvapadam Akara, Akaram is there, I alone will come again. And Au is there, Au alone will come. So, A is there, I will come. O is there, Au will come. I is there, I alone will come. Au is there, Au alone will come. This is Vriddhi Sandhi. Okay, Purvapada Sandhima Varna has to be Akara, Akara only. So, Savarna Dirgha Sandhi Arabhya, Akara, Akaram we saw there also. Guna Sandhi also, Purvapada Sandhima Varna, Akara, Akara. Vriddhi Sandhi also, Purvapada Sandhima Varna, Akara, Akara. Up till this, Purvapadasya Andima Varna, Akara, Akara. Parapadam, there in the Dirgha, Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, all the Savarnis. That is Akaram asti chet, here also Akaram, Ikaram asti here also like that. When Guna Sandhi, what could be the Parapadam? It has to be E, Ikaha, E, Vuru. Only E, Vuru allowed for Guna Sandhi in the Parapadasya Pratama Varnam. In Vriddhi Sandhi, Parapadasya Pratama Varnam can be A, O, I, ouch. So we have completed entire Achuvarna now. Up till Vriddhi Sandhi, Purvapadam Akara Akara Arabhya, Evo I also again we have completed in Vriddhi Sandhi. So Vriddhi Sandhi now I have told you. Now you can try something very easy. Tata Eva. Tata, write down and aramse you tell me. Tata Eva. How will you?
Tataiva. Tataiva.
We are talking about A has come. You have to put Vriddhi. Vriddhi can be only I or Au.
So that is what I said. Tathaiva. Tatha plus Eva. Tathaiva.
Tathaiva. How you arrived at it? Tata.
Tatha Akara. Dirgha A.
Ta plus it plus A plus Eva. So A plus A hatao. Remove karo. In the place you put A comes I told you. So Tatu plus I plus Va. Tathaiva. Always do the Varna Vikaram. Naito you cannot do Sandhi. It will be very difficult. Akaram has to come in the, so split the Varnas. Then here also see. Both you remove because these are all Ekadesha Sandhi. This Sandhi, Guna Sandhi and Vriddhi Sandhi are Ekadesham. 2 letters has to move out. In that place, Aikaram and Aukaram for Vriddhi, Ekaram and Okaram for Guna, and Savarnas for the Dirgha. These all that we have learnt. One more I will give you. Indra plus Airavatav. Indra plus Airavatav.
Indra plus
Indra. Last letter Irra plus A is there. Irra plus A plus Airavatav.
I. A plus I is equal to
Hmm.
Ow.
Rau. I is Rai.
So Ra gets added. So
Hmm.
Indrau.
Indrai. Indrai Ravatau. Okay. So here you remove Ravatau as it is there. Previously Akaram you remove Ir is there. Ir plus I Rai. So Indrai will be there. Then Ravatau is left out in the Paravarna. The Ravatau as you have to write in the notebook. Then only arrive at it. Neither it doesn't happen. Sandhila, you speed the words. Take your own time. I don't mind. Because we have to understand. Indra. In, id, ir plus a. So last letter ir is there. This a you are going to remove. Plus I plus Ravata. So this a plus I. Okay, remove. In that place, bring the I again. Because it is, I told you, Ekadesha Sandhi. Two are removed, one Adesham comes. So in the place of A plus I, you remove, put one I alone. So like here, in the last letter, Ir is left out. Ir plus I, Rai. Correct? So Indrai Ravatau. Are you able to arrive at it, all of you? Any problem, Umaji? No problem. You are able to do it. Good. Rama plus Aishwaryam. Rama plus Aishwaryam.
A plus I.
Mm.
So it will become I again.
Mm.
Ramaishwaryam.
Ramaishwaryam. Rama, no?
Ramaishwaryam.
Ramaishwaryam. Okay. Very good. Mm. Niyamya plus etat. Ni ya im ya. Niyamya plus etat.
Niyam yaitat.
That's all. So, Vriddhi, we are thorough. So, remember what are the Guna letters? When they come, it is Guna Sandhi. What are the Vriddhi letters? If they come, it is Vriddhi Sandhi. Okay. But this one, I have not given one example also. Rikaram. Vikaram for, what is this one? Vriddhi, I don't have any example. But I will give you in the, I am going to send you homework. There is a lot of Rikaram is also there. Because whenever there is a Rikaram in Vriddhi Sandhi, it will become R. Rikaram in Guna Sandhi, what it became? It became Ar. Rikaram in Vriddhi Sandhi, it will become R. That I have to send you because I don't have any example right now. In my book it is there. Maya, write down. Maya plus Eva plus Ete. Maya plus Eva plus Ete. One by one you have to do and finally join all of them together.
Mayai Vaite. Right?
Mayai Vaite. Very good. Correct. Maya plus Eva will become Mayai. Then you have Eva
Vaite.
again. Va plus A has, so Y. Then last day as it is, it remains. Good. It is quite tough, but you are able to do very quickly. It is very nice. Then we went to last, after this, these are three Ekadesha Sandhi we have seen. Now we went to Guna Sandhi. Okay, I
Ma'am,
only.
I'm sorry, I missed out. Maya plus Eva plus Ete makes Mayai Vete.
Mayai, Y, Va become Y, Te. Last letter left out is Te. Te as it is you have to put. You can do. First take only Maya plus Eva. What comes, you tell me.
Mayaiva.
Mayaiva. Then again on A comes. Va plus A, what it will be?
Be.
Y. Va plus A will become Ivu plus A plus A. Remove Y will come. So Mayai is already there. Now you have put one Y. What is the last left out? Te only is left out. So simply add the Te. So Mayai, Y, Te. It is very difficult, three things, but just I wanted to give you. I did it, so I thought I'll give it to you. Itna difficult they will never give you for Parichaya. Very, very simple things. You go from your book only. Your book examples are beautiful. From there only we can do it, all these things. Okay. Now we have done, I have to now recall only yan sandhi. Can Swapna ji, आपको मालूम है yan sandhi? Yan?
Prefix.
Okay.
Mm,
Sir, can you tell what is yan? What is the technical name? Yan means what? I told you, always go to Maheshwara Sutrani. Name comes by the Adesham.
Yara Lava
Yeah.
Correct.
will
So,
come in the place of
Maheshwara Sutrani, Hayavarat Lan. Those two, Hayavarat Lan. So, ha leave it,
Hayavarat.
Yavarala, that is known as yan. Because yan's in Nakaram, no. So, yan stands for that two lines in Maheshwara Sutrani. So, that's why every day, please listen to Maheshwara Sutrani, understand what are the Pratyahara. Pratyahara is that like this. I want to go to Adayar Ananda Bhavan means I will say I want to go to A to B. This is Pratyahara. We are simply, every day we are using. But only this in Maheshwara Sutrani extensively, so many years back, our Panini Maharishi has used. So that yan, he will say, instead of all the ya, va, ra, la, he doesn't want to say. He will say yan, over. So you have to know yan means ya, va, ra, la. So in yan sandhi, ya, va, ra, la will come and sit in the place of something. Sandhi, when I mentioned in the beginning, there is a place that is known as Stani. Stani is the place where something comes and sits. In all these things, whatever we learned, Guna Sandhi, Vriddhi Sandhi, Purvapadasya Antima Varnam, Parapadasya Prathamanam, Dono are Stani. They are replaced. And what is replacing? Something that is known as Adeshaka or the Agamaha. And why it is replacing? What is the reason? That is known as Nimittam. In the case of Guna Sandhi, what is the Nimittam? The A or O, E or U are the Nimittam. If E comes, A will happen. If U comes, O will happen. So, after the Akaram, if either E or U is there in the Parapadam, there is a Nimittam asti, Ataha A or O comes inside. So, these words also you remember. For something to happen, where it should happen? In the Sthanam. Why it should happen? There is a Nimittam. What will happen? There will be a Adeshaka or the Agamaha. That Adesha Agamaha will come and sit in the place of the Sthani. This is all about very simple thing actually. Sandhi and very, very interesting. And whatever you want to do later, we were splitting all the padas in the poem and all. Unless you know Sandhi, you can never do. Because poets will extensively use Sandhi, compulsorily. And now we are going to yan sandhi. Yan sandhi la yava rala will be the adeshaka. They will come and sit. So now what should be the purvapadam? That is the stani. What should be sitting in the purvapadasya antima varnam? What is the stani? The stani is I-V-R-L. I-V-R-L can be called ik, iko, ikaha. That is what Maheshwara Sutrani said. Ikaha means I-V-R-L. I-un, lyric, we call it. I-un, go to I, and lyric fully you take it, ik. I and ik. Ik is the pratyahara which shows I, V, R, L. So all these four, if they are there in the Purvapadam, in that sthanam, what will come? Ya, va, ra, la. Kramena it will come. If it is I, ya will come. If it is U, va will come. If it is Rikaram is there, Ir will come. Ra plus that Mriduvanjanam Ra is there, no, it will come. Repam we call it. The Repa letter will come and sit. Okay? Then it is never not there. If it is there, Il, Lakaram will come and sit. That's all. And then I told you why it should happen. There should be a Nimittam, no? When evil ruler there, Yava Rala will come and sit. When something is there, the Nimittam should be there. The Karanam. That's a Karanatyeva, this happens. So that Karanam is Achu Varnam. Iko Yanachi, we call it. Ikaha Varnam Asti Chete, Tasya Purataha Achu Varnam. Achu means Swaraha. Atu Au Vargam. If Achu Varnam Asti Chete, Yava Rala will come and sit. This is the Yan Sandhi rule. Is it clear? Umaji? Any doubt is there? So, Purvavarnam has to be Ikaha, Ivu, Rul. Paravarnam has to be Achuvarnam. Achuvarna means all the swaraha. And what will be the replacement? Yan is the name, so Yava, Rala will be the Adesha. Here, most important thing, the Paravarnam, Achai told no, all along you let both will go, in that place one will come. In this case of Yan Sandhi, Paravarnam as it is will sit there, nothing will happen to it. Purva Varna, Antima Varnam, Eva, it will get replaced. Okay? If E is there, in his place, Yakaram will come and sit. If U is there, in his place, Vakaram will come. That Achuvarnam which is there, it will be as it is, it will be there, and they will be joined together. Okay, yeah? So, this is for the first time, Ekadeshaka stopped. It is simply Adeshaka we are learning in Yan Sandhi. Okay, yeah? So, 2 letters moving and 1 letter coming is over. Now, from Yan Sandhi onwards, it will be only 1 letter, either Purvam or Param. That as we go further, I will teach. But in this case of Yan Sandhi, Purva Padam Eva will be replaced by either Yava, Rala, depending on what is there. Is it clear? And when I say
Yes.
the Parapadam has to be Ach, it has to be only Swara, because we are learning only Swara Sandhis. So when it has to be Ach, remember very clearly, Purvavarnam Ikaram Asti Chest, Paravarnam Abhi is again Achvarnam Eva. So Paravarnam Abhi Ikaram Asti Chest, whether Yan can take place? It can never take place because it will go to Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Purvavarnam Ikaram, Paravarnam Ikaram, so Yan cannot take place. Even though Ikaram is there, even though Ach is there is one more Sandhi which will take the priority over this. So when I say Purvarnam Ik, Ivurul, Paravarnam, I should not say just Ach. I should say Asavarna Ach. It should not be Savarnam. It should be Asavarna Ach. But Sutra Panini says Achvarnam. Eko Yanachi only he says. But Vartika Karaka, those who give explanation have given very clearly, Ach should be Asavarna. So if it is who is there, another who is sitting there, that is not Asa Savarnam, so put it into Dirgha Sandhi. Okay? Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. So Yan is very, very easy. But so I will give you some, we have done some, I will give you homework also, huge homework I will give for Yan Sandhi, because I like it. V plus Uda. Just write down, split it, and come to a conclusion. V plus
Say that again.
V. Hrasva V. Uda plus Uda. First split V. V is equal to Ukaram. Ukaram. Dirgha Ukaram. Uda.
Vyuda.
Yeah, you arrived at it. Very good. Vyuda. Vyuda, you know na, how the army is being arranged. Vyuda. Uda is generally something to do with the climbing and other things. Here, Uda has become how the army. Vyudam means how the army is being arranged.
Ma'am, it is V plus E plus U plus the plus A.
Yeah.
So
But
E plus U will become here.
1 minute. This U plus Da, you don't have to split it because that U is not going to be replaced by anything. Keep Uda as it is. You don't have to worry about, I told you, it is not Ekadesha Sandhi. Paravasana Pradama Varnam will not undergo any change. So, V only you split it. If plus E. Then Uda will be Uda. So, E plus U, what it will happen? Here, V in place of E, you have put on Yakaram. Yakaram plus U, it will become U. If plus U plus Da, Uda. So, in all the previous sandhis, you have to split both the Purva Varnasya last letter also, you have to arrive at it. Parapadasya Pratama also, you have, and both you have to replace. Like that you suffered. Here only one. So, Purva Padam alone you split it. Parapadam simply join. That's all. In the place of Purva Padasya Ikaram, you put Yakaram. Purva Padasya Ukaram, put Vakaram. In the Purva Padasya Rikaram, you put Repam, R. That's all. Matter over. I'll give you one more. Yadyapi plus Ete. Uma. Yadyapi plus Ete.
Ete. E plus A.
E is there.
Yadyate.
Tell me. So, what is the answer? Yadyap ete.
Yadyap
Yappile
ete.
yadyap varakum it will be there.
So that
It has become a.
so we still retain half of the P.
We
Yadyap
have to,
ete.
because that is there already. Only you are taking the last letter E and replacing but yakaram. You should not eat anything in between. If E is there, put E. That is yakaram. That's all. Very nice. Good. Parvati plus Aishwaryam. Parvati. Swapnaji. Parvati plus Aishwaryam.
Plus Aishwaryam. Okay. Parvatyaishwaryam.
Correct. Parvat will be there. E will be replaced by Ya. So Parvat plus Ya plus I. Parvat Yaishwaryam. Correct. Sir, Nadi plus Ogaha. Ogaha means flood. Nadi plus Ogaha.
Odah. E plus
E plus
O.
Nadi. Nad
Nadyo.
plus E.
Nadyo.
Okaha.
Ah.
What is Okaha, madam?
Ogaha flood. Meaning is
Flood.
flood.
Okay. Okay. So Nad plus Ya. Nadyokaha.
Correct. That's all. Nadyogaha. Then
Ka, is it ka? Is it O ka?
Ga, last, that is the fourth Ga.
Oh,
Ogaha.
Gha. Okay.
Ogaha.
Okay, got it.
Yes.
Nadyogaha. Mm-hmm.
Abhibhavati plus Uta. But I am giving only Ikaram. I have to change it to Ukaram. Okay, leave it. Ikaram you have
Abhivati
done very
plus,
well. Leave
say
it.
that again. Abhivati plus Utava.
Illa. Abhibhavati plus Uta.
Oh, Abhivati plus Uta. Abhibhavat.
Bhavat has to come. Correct. Abhibhavat
Yeah, Abhibhavat Uta.
Yuta. Instead of U, it will become U. That's all. Yuta.
Yuta.
Now we will go to Vakara replacement. Let us see. 2 plus idam. 2 plus idam.
Plus idam. U will become Va.
It plus U. 2 is it plus U. So it plus Va has come. And then idam is there. Ivu plus E, V.
Twidam.
Idam. Many poem we have studied. Twidam like that. This is 2 plus idam. Okay. Now you try to do your, that is poem we were doing, no? Padachedam and Anvaya Krama and all we learned, no? After learning this, you go and see your tough poems also. Easily you will be able to do. Then, sir, Tasu plus Ekyam. Sorry, Tasu plus Aikyam.
Tasu plus Aikyam. Tas U plus Aikyam. U becomes Va. So Tasu, Aikyam. Tasvaikyam.
Tasvaikyam. Very good. Once you remove the U, Tas is left out. U plus become U plus I, Y. So Tasvaikyam. Okay.
Tasvaikyam.
Madam Umaji, Kattu plus Aushadam. Very bitter medicine.
U plus
Aushadam.
Katvaushadam.
Kattuvaushadam. So whenever they give, you see, this joining is always very easy in Sandhi, but Vibhajanam is difficult. When they give poem, it will be always joined. You are going to remove. So if I say Tesh Vipsati, like that, but it's very difficult. I will tell you. Tesh Vipsati. Tesh Vipsati. Te ish vi ip sati.
Say that again, madam. Te
ish. Vi ip pakara. Sati.
Tesh Vipsati.
Now there is n.
So Teshu. Teshu plus Ipsati.
Ipsati. Ipsati means it's an important word. that is, Ipsati means aptum icha. I want to attain. It is a Sananta Prayogam. You might not have learned it. Okay, aptum icha, chikishati, kartum icha. These are all later on you will Sanantam, you will learn it. That is, instead of saying I want to do, you want to say it in one word. Okay, I want to do this. I kartum icha asti, like that. You don't have to say kartum icha 2 words. Chikisha, you can say. This is the Sananta Prayogam. As you go further, you will learn. Tadida Prayogam. For example, Rama is Dasaradasya Putraha. So you say Dasaradasya Putraha Ramaha, like that you say. Instead of Dasarathi, if you say also Dasaradasya Putraha only. So Dasaratha name, from there Dasarathi came. How it came? There is a Prayogam called Tadida Prayogam. Like that, there are, as you go further, a lot of very easy ways are available by which in very easily you can use things. Okay. So Ipsati means aptum ichati. So here teshu aptum ichati. Teshu. So as teshu, you know now, that is Saptami Bhakti Bhagavachanam. Na? So teshu aptum ichati. Some example we have given. So tu it is there. The minute you say tesh vi when you saw, ish is there. After that va has come. So if va comes before that, it should have been u. Ish plus u, shu. That you arrive at it, you are sorted. Okay. Then what is left out? Ipsati only is left out. One more I will give you. Katu you got that, no? Sir, Vadvaishwaryam. Va id Vaishwaryam. Vadvaishwaryam. Write down. All the three write down.
Vadvaish,
Vai.
plus Vaishwaryam.
Va id Vaishwaryam. Vadvaishwaryam. Id is there. After that, Vai is there. So Va has come. Vad, after that Va is there. So in the place of Va, what should have been there? Previous letter. Id should have been Ukaram. Then only Va can come. The Ukaram only is replaced by Vad will become Vadu. Vadu one only can become Vadva. Correct?
Vadva.
Then
Correct.
Vai is there, so Aishwaryam. I must have been there. That only U plus Vai. So Vadu. You cannot put Vadu Aishwaryam. There is no word called Vadu. It should be Vadu. That means you should know that. I told you, whenever you are separating the sandhis, each word should be having a very clear meaning. You cannot say Vadu plus Aishwaryam, because Vadu Hrasvam plus Aishwaryam also Vadu Aishwaryam. Vadu plus Aishwaryam also Vadu Aishwaryam only. Ikaram is there. But you should know, you have to put Vadu, Denu, like that. Then Vaishwaryam, if you say, there is nothing called Denu. You know, no, Denu is the Shabda Rupam. Ikaranta Strilinga Sabdam. That you have to remember. That we cannot help you. You know this one? Sarai Vogaha. Sarai Vogaha. Sarai Vogaha.
Tarai Yogana. So Tari plus
no, Sarai.
Sarai. Oh, 1 minute. Sarai.
Some sound is coming back side.
Yeah, so that corporation fellow.
Sarai Vogaha.
Sar plus Ya means E. So Sari plus Vogaha.
See, Sarai is there. Ya is half letter. After that, Va has come. Vogaha.
Okay. I wrote it as Yo. Yeah. Okay.
Not Ukaram. Va. Vogaha.
Okay.
So, Sarai, Yakaram should have been U. Isn't it? Half letter should have been U.
Correct.
That's why has come. So, Sarayu.
Correct.
Vogaha. Sarayu is the river. Sarayu. So, Sarayu here. Sarayu Hrasvam also allowed, Sarayu Dirgham is also allowed, but the right method is Sarayu Dirgham only. So, if you look at
I wrote it wrong.
You should be very clear about this.
Yeah, I also didn't write it properly. What is it? Sarai Vogava. What is it?
Sarai O. Vakarasya Okaram. O Gaha. When you split it, which is a half.
Sari
Sari will
Vogava.
never come. Sari will never come. Sara is there. There is no half till that. Up till Sara, nothing to worry about. After that, what is there? Yakaram half letter is there. Okay. After that, Vakaram has come. Ogaha. So Vakaram is there means this half letter should have been U. Yakara say Yukaram must have been there. U will be you split into E plus Va. Correct? So Sare U.
I don't know. I didn't get it, madam. I didn't get it. I didn't get the word at all.
Okay.
I
Okay. You know
Can
Sarayu
you
River?
show it to me? Yeah, I know Sarayu River. Yeah.
Right.
So,
But how do I show you here? Can I write somewhere
okay,
here?
Okay, tell me Sarayu plus what now?
Sarayu plus Ogaha. Ogaha, I told you, flood.
Oga. Okay.
Now you
So
join
now
them
it
together.
becomes okay. Sar. Yeah. U becomes wa, right?
Yeah. O becomes, no madam, Sarayu like E plus U is there. That Ukaram becomes Vakaram. So
Correct.
Sarai plus Vakaram plus Ogaha. So Vakaram plus O will become Okaram. Vakarasya O. So Sarai Ogaha has become Sarayu plus Ogaha. How to write
Ma'am,
it?
it is sir plus r plus half year
Yes.
plus wo plus the.
In the place of you, in the place of
Oh, okay.
Ukaram, you Sarai
Wow.
plus that
But
U plus O has become O. Va voda O. Vakaram plus
no,
O.
that
So
So
O.
here will be half. So you'll have sir plus r plus half year plus wo the.
Yes.
I've never. Sarayoga. Wow,
Is it visible what I am writing? Is it visible?
it's so hard. No, it's not.
Not
I
visible.
can't see
I don't
anything.
know how to show you. But I have a whiteboard,
Yes.
but how it will come here, I don't know. Okay, next time I'll try the whiteboard with my son.
You can put that as a homework, ma'am. Maybe once you write it down, no, you'll get
I will put it as a homework one.
homework.
Here,
Yeah,
any
even if you do
whiteboard.
wrong, it's okay.
Because in this I seen somewhere whiteboard is there in the Zoom it comes, but how to use I don't know. Sara half yakaram plus ukaram. That ukaram is Sarayu. So E plus ukaram you put it plus ogaha, original flood ogaha. This much you arrive at it. Then in the place of ukaram you put vakaram. Sarai plus vakaram, iv. Vakaram you put it. And ogaha as it is. I told you Yansandi Parapadam doesn't change at all. So ogaha as it is there. So Sara, E plus vakaram plus okaram will become okaram. Vakarasya O it will become. Iv plus ava you tell no. So iv plus O. Vakarasya okaram. So Sarai ogaha will become the Sarayu plus ogaha. Okay, when I pronounce without showing the letters, difficult. Because normal okaram and vakarasya okaram, it will sound the same, no? We cannot help it. Okay, this much is clear. Now we are going to last Yanta Vanta Desha Sandhi. This look, can you, now you have studied so many sandhis. Can you split the name Yanta Vanta Desha Sandhi? Can somebody try the splitting? Yanta. What is there?
Ya, anta,
Very good.
ya plus
Ya
anta,
plus anta.
va plus anta, a plus adesha.
Anta plus adesha. There is no
Adesha.
Yala
Means,
either ya comes or the va comes as a adesha. I told you, no, that's why the name is Yanta Vanta. Here there is no desha. Adesha la A is hiding there. And what are the sandhis here? Yanta. Ya plus
anta,
what is the
savarna.
sandhi?
Va plus anta, savarna. Ta plus, that is also savarna.
Adesha. So
Savarna.
Adesha, it
Savarna.
has come. All Savarna Dirgha Sandhi is in this name itself. Okay. So when you look at the Yanta, Vanta, Desha Sandhi, we say Desha Sandhi. It is nothing to do with Desham. It is Yanta, Vanta, Adesha Sandhi.
Adesha.
Yanta, Ya Anta, Va Anta, Adesha Sandhi. So either Yakaram or Avakaram will come. Adesham. I told you again, all the sandhis are named only by the Adeshas. Okay. Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, Savarnam is Adesham. Guna Sandhi, Guna letters are the Adesham. Vriddhi Sandhi, Vriddhi letters are the Adesham. Yan Sandhi, Yan letters are the Adesham. Here, Yanta Vanta Sandhila, what is the Adesham? Either Yakaram or Vakaram. Okay. Now we will go ahead and see it. Now, when you have written A to Au varaikum, Achuvarnam you have written down. So you have seen first Akaram, Akaram, Akaram up to Vriddhi Sandhi. Then Ikaram you saw for Yan Sandhi. Now after E, what is left? A, O, I outs only left out. So Purva Varnasya Parapadam will become A, O, I outs. Like that you take it. Now we have come to Yanta Vanta. So what is the letter left out for the Purva Varnasya, last letter? We have taken up to Ikaha. Iko Yanachila up to E to Ru working we have taken. Left out is A, O, I outs. That will become the Purva Varnasya last letter. Is it clear? So Purva Varnasya Antima Varnaha can be either A, O, I, outs. Out. Ouch means it is because of the each I am taking from the Maheshwara Sutra. Okay. So this will be very clear. I will even write a handwritten note and post a photocopy there. So all if you take it up till Guna Sandhi, up till Vriddhi Sandhi, then Akaram will be there in the Purva Varna. Then Yanala, Evu has come. Then what is left out? A, O, I, outs. It will come and sit in the Purva Padam in the Yanta Vanta. That's all. Then, what should be the Parapadam? Achuvarnam eva. Achuvarnam eva. The Akaram starting from Akaram up to Aukaram, what is there? Only Achuvarnam. Okay? Is it clear? So, Purva Rupam Evo I ouch. I out. Parapadam can be any Achuvarnam. Now, here already last week I told you one something called Purva Rupa Sandhi. Do you remember anybody? Purva Rupa Sandhi we have already learnt. There, Purva Padam, if it is A and O, specific, only A and O. Here A, O, I, O we are studying. But there in Purva Rupa Sandhi, if it is A and O, Parapadam, here any Achuvarnam we told. There only Hrasva Akaram. In Purva Rupa Sandhi, Purva Padam can be only A and O. Parapadam can be only Hrasva Akaram. Then what will happen? Purva Rupa Sandhi. What is a Purva Rupam here? Either A or O is there. Parapadam Akaram is there. So these two will, this Purva Rupa Sandhi also Ekadeshaka Sandhi. So A and Akaram will disappear. In the place of A and Akaram, what will come is Purva Rupam. A will come and sit. Purva Rupam. A will come and sit. In the place of O and Akaram, O will come and sit. This is an exception to Yanta Vanta Desha Sandhi. Yanta Vanta also say A, O, I, O. Here any Achuvarnam it says, but only these three specific combination. If A plus Akaram asti chet or O plus Hrasva Akaram asti chet, then it will not be Yanta Vanta Sandhi. It will be Purva Rupa Sandhi. In Purva Sandhi, A will be there. The Achuvarnam we removed, no? A and O, Akaram we removed and put A there. So that Achuvarnam we indicate by a letter known as S. It is not S. It is, we call it, it looks like a S, but its name is something else. I will tell you after some time. Suddenly I forgot. So, in the place of Akaram, one Chinnam we are putting. One Chinnam means one. So, it will be like one S. Avagraha Chinnam, correct. Avagraha. In the place of Akaram, one Chinnam we are showing. There was Akaram, but you should not pronounce it also. It is not there. But it was there to show you. A was anyway there, A has come back again. But A was there, but now it is not there. In many poems, you will be seeing this Avagraha Chinnam. Okay, yeah. So, whenever you look at Purva Varna Antima letter A, O, I, ouch, you know, but you see A or you see O and Parapadam, any Achuvarnam can be there, but you see Hrasva Akaram, immediately this cannot be Antavanta. First eliminate Purva Rupa Sandhi, then only apply Antavanta. Naito you will end up, what you will do? Whatever I am telling for A, O, I, ouch and all the Achuvarna, you will do for that also, which will make it wrong. Okay, so first eliminate whether Purva Rupa Sandhi is there or not. If it is there, only apply that. When I give the example, you will come to know. Many a time A is there, A is there. Okay, this is Yanta Vanta, and what is the rule you will apply, but it will not work out. Okay, so first eliminate. This is compulsory in the exam. Because we will all do wrong because we are going routinely, no? So A is there and Akaram is there, this cannot be Purva Rupam, I have to change it. O is there, Akaram is there, no. A is there, anything, Akaram is there, okay, it is Anta Vanta only. Anything else is there, okay, it is Anta Vanta only. Like that you have to remember. This is very important because I have made many mistakes simply directly writing as Yanta Vanta. So remember, Purva Rupa Sandhi is an exception to Yantavanta Desha Sandhi. So first apply the rule and see whether it is a Purva Rupam. If it is not there, only go to Yantavanta. This is the way we have to approach. Now, in the case of Yantavanta Sandhi, Purva Padam A asti chete, what is Adesha? Now he told no. A means I. In the Yakaram, that is why Ya is Antima letter, he told no. So in the case of A, I will be the sorry, Adesham. In the case of I will be the Adesham. In the case of O, Au will be the Adesham. In the case of Au will be the Adesham. It is written here, you can again go through it. So A plus E. What will happen? You can now see that I will now start this play. Okay. Yanta Vanta. It is starting from here. So Savarna Dirgha, Guna Sandhi we have seen, Vidhi Sandhi we have seen, Purva Rupam just now explained, and Purva Rupam I have covered in the last week. Yan Sandhi, now Yanta Vanta Desha Sandhi. Pararupa Sandhi, it is not there for Parichaya. If you want, I can take, but it is not there. Prakriti Bhava Sandhi. This is very funny. Prakriti Bhava. Prakriti means, you know, no? Original, nature. So Prakriti
My
Bhava
slides
Sandhi.
are not playing.
You are not able to see?
No, it's stuck at Praveda.
What,
I'm
madam?
not
Are you
able
able to see? Everybody is having a problem
No.
here. You are able to see?
Yeah. No, just do it manually, Bhagini. Don't do it with the play. Manually was working well. You just yeah.
Yeah, now I can see.
This is good. This is good enough.
I cannot come, ma. ऐसा हो गया क्या?
No, you have to keep pressing, I think, go forward like that.
Something mistake
But
I
anyway,
am.
this is okay.
Okay, now this only you are able to see
Yeah.
now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can see.
Okay, A, O, I out. They are replaced by A by I, O by Au. That's why Ya, Va. Always the last letter is either Ya or Va only. And I by Au. I, sorry. And Au by Au. This is way Adesha works. As far this is also not a Ekadesha. It is only the Purva Padam is getting replaced. Parapadasya Pratama Varna will be as it is. So as I told you, Ekadesha is over in the first beginning sandhis only. Here it will not come. So this much clear now. We can go to the next one. A plus any Paravarnam. Paravarnam has to be only Achuvarnam. That is very clear because we are studying only about Swarasandhi. So Paravarnam could be anything. Then you will get I. But only when there is a, what could be the exception here? A plus something can become I except one letter. A plus.
Rasva.
Hrasva Akaram Asyet, what will come?
Purva Rupa Sandhi.
A will come. Only A will get replaced. It will never become I. Okay, that is what the Purva Rupa Sandhi. So A plus any other thing except Hrasva Akaram will become I. This is how you have to read it. If Hrasva Akaram is there, then it will go into Purva Rupa Sandhi. Similarly, O plus any, that is any swara except Hrasva Akaram will become Au. I plus any Hrasva Akaram, I. Au plus any Hrasva Akaram, I. This much is clear. Can you read, sir? One of you read this. I got some throat problem.
Yeah.
Mm.
अवधेयम्
Mm.
यान्तावान्तदेशसन्धिः अवधेयम् यदि पदन्ते ए वा ओ भवति अपि च परवर्णः अकारः भवति तर्हि पूर्वरूपसन्धिः एव भवति न तु यान्तावान्तदेशसन्धिः.
This we know, na?
Yeah,
This
you
is what
explained.
Yeah. So this and all. Now we one by one example we'll go to. Shire plus Icha. It is Hrasva Akaram is not there, Ekaram is there. So how do we go about it? Shire, first split it. Ir plus A. Shire la Shir plus A. Correct? Shire. Ekaram is there. So Shir plus A. Plus Ichale E plus E is anyway உங்களுக்கு ஒரு அச்சு வரணும். Now we are not going to replace E at anyway, but E is அச்சு வரணும். For that purpose we have split and so. So in the place of A, what will come? I will come. So Shir plus A, Shira. Shir plus A will become Shira. This Yakaram plus Ekaram will become E. Yakarasya Ekaram. And the Icha will be as it is Icha. So Shire plus Icha becomes Shira Icha. Now, looking at it, if I give you Shira Icha, will you be able to split it into Shire plus Icha? That is the challenge. Shire plus Icha, any child will do. Because A plus E, A will become IE, IE will Shira plus A will become Shira, E plus this will become this, any child will do. But if I give you Shira Icha, will you be able to remember it is Shire plus Icha? Like Yan Sandhila, what I told you, Ya, Va, Ra, La will come. Thus, and the Ya, Va, Ra, La, if you deduct in a word, that is joined word, and thus a previous letter, half letter it will be, always. Correct? We have to know U means It plus U, you will take it. E means It plus E, we will take it. So the Purva letter will be in the half letter, and you will be splitting the Achvarna. Here, Purva, here also Yava only comes. Just like it looks like a Yan Sandhi, but Purva letter to the Ya or Va will never be half letter in Yantavanta. Okay, so this you have to, whether you should go to Yan Sandhi or Yantavanta. I will give you examples, you try that. Now, come to this final one only. What is the Tasma Etat is that? Just take the Tasma Etat first. Try to split it, come over the back side, because that is very challenging. Otherwise, if I give you Tasmai plus Etat, that is the first way you will have to do. Tasmai, Ta is Im plus I. This I will become I. Etat will be as it is. Don't touch it, because this is not Ekadesha Sandhi, it is simply Adesha Sandhi. So Etas is as it is. So I has become I. Im is at it. Tasmaila we have split Im and I we have removed. So Ta is Im plus I. Im plus A, Tasma. E plus A. Tasma Etat is equal to Tasmai Etat. Okay, so this is the way we have to keep on learning. As I told you, this is quite challenging, but it's good. We will try. It is not a problem. Now, this one, 3. Madam Umajit, can you try 3?
Speak. I can't see the screen.
This screen also you cannot say. I have not. Why, madam? Screen.
No, I can say. Now we can see. I can see what happened, Umaji. Why you cannot
I'm not
see?
able to see.
Maniraj Maja, you are able to see?
What is
I
that?
can see.
Yeah, I can see too.
Madam, wait.
Do I have to do
Why is
anything to see the screen?
Maybe. Can you minimize your galleries? What mode are you? Just put your in speaker mode or something. I don't know. Okay. Yeah.
I will
Show
tell you
small.
because we have left with another 15 minutes only. Write down. Bhano plus iha. Bhano
No.
plus iha. Bhano plus iha. Now split it.
O plus A. O plus A.
Ban plus previous letter will become half letter. Ban plus O plus iha.
Bhango.
O will become
Bhango.
what? O will become au.
Oh.
So ban
Bhangawa.
plus au plus iha. Can you see? Ban plus au plus iha. So in plus a bana. Iv plus ev. Bana viha. Bano plus iha will become bana viha. Actually, this yanta vanta sandhi is very important when you are talking about tinantam and subantam. You all know na patati, patataha, padanti, bhavati, bhavataha, bhavanti. This all we have learned. So, dhatu is bhu dhatu. Bhavati, when you are telling, bhavati, bhavataha, padanti, dhatu rupam is bhu dhatu. How bhu become bhava? That is very important. Bhu dhatu will first we call it as bo because some idamaham will take place. Don't worry about it much. Idamaham can take place. So bhu will become bo. Bo will be ibbu plus o. O will be av. So ibbu plus a ba. Iv va plus ti bhavati. So this yanta vanta sandhi is base for learning all your dhatu rupam and even sabda rupam. Ramaha, Ramena, so many things you are learning. Many times this yanta vanta will come in between and change the rupa. So you will ask, Bhudhatu how it has become Bhavati? Yanta vanta desasandi. As you go further, now you will never learn, just remember Bhudhatu ka Latlaka Rom Bhavati Bhavataha Bhavanti. That only you remember. But later on, they will ask you, I am now doing Sup and Tinantam, how they are being arrived at. How langlakaram is apatat, apatatam, apatan. Why latlakaram is padata, padati, patataha, padanti. Why lotlakaram is patatu, patatam, patantu. Why vidilangam is patate. These are the things you will be learning as you go to the next level. So now, unless you know yanta vanta desindi, that will become difficult. Sandhi is the base. That's what I am trying to tell. Particularly yanta vanta is very, very important. So now come to next one. Surya Chandrau plus Eva. Swapnaji, don't look at the board. You try. Surya Chandrau. Two people, no? Surya Chandrau plus Eva.
Yes. Okay. So it will be Surya Chandra plus Au plus Eva.
Eva as it is.
Okay. Okay. Let me do Hani Rajmaria, you don't tell me. Surya Chandra Au plus Eva. So Au plus E becomes Av.
Not because first Av becomes Av. E is at is there. But it is a nimitam.
Oh,
Because of that it
okay,
became,
okay.
but E is as it is there.
Okay,
Only Av becomes
okay.
Av.
So, okay. So, Surya Chandra, Chandra Viva.
Because Vayu plus EV. Surya Chandra Viva. So this is all easy now. Next we will go. Now, madam, you cannot see the board. Now this is only Abhyasa counts.
No, I can see the board, ma'am. I enabled that.
Oh, very
Not
nice.
screen I enabled, yeah.
Okay. Now, one by one we will start. Uma, then Sir, then Swapna. Okay. Hare plus A. Split the word and tell me. I don't want the answer. Hare plus like that you have to tell.
Hare plus A. So A plus A. A plus A.
Har
We-
plus A, like that you write, because unless you put ir, you will not know what to add then. Har plus A. The first A will become what?
A.
A
Okay.
will become what?
Hare. Hare.
So
Har-
replace har plus, in the place of A you put I. E you put. So okay, write down. Har plus A plus E plus A. A will be as it is. Don't touch the A. Parapadam will be as it is. So har plus, in the place of A you put I plus A. So har plus I. Har plus A is hara. E plus A is A. Haraye. You know haraye namaha. We are learning, no? What is a haraye? What is a sabda rupam? Haraye.
Hari Chaturthi.
Chaturthi, very good. Hari. Hari Shabdasya Vikaranta Pullinga Hari Shabdasya Chaturthi Vibhakti Haraye. Similarly, you have no Vishnave, we are learning, no? Vishnave. Anybody can try Vishnave.
Next. I think Paniraj Mahoday.
Okay.
Vishnave, I am telling the answer. Vishnave, split it.
So Vishnave, away. So Vishnu plus Vishnu.
Who in the, what should be there?
Oh,
I only allowed. You are talking Vishnu. Ukaram is it is there, it will go somewhere else. Okay.
Okay.
So Purvavasa Andima Varna in Yanta Vanta can be only A, O, I, ouch. Parapadam, and the result can be only I and ouch. So Vishnu plus A, look at it. Hare plus A Mari, Vishnu plus A. Vishnu.
Oh, O plus
V
A.
is in, you keep it. V is in plus O. V is in plus O. In the place of O, what you should put?
Av.
Au. So V
Au.
is in plus A. Vishna. V is in plus A. Vishna. Vakaram plus A. Ve. Va plus A. Ve. So Vishnave. Very difficult to split. That's what I'm telling. Go back. Do this joining, any child will do. Vishnu plus A. V is in plus O plus A. O is equal to Av. V is in plus Av. In plus A Vishna. U plus A Ve. Vishnave. Any child will do. But if I say Vishnave, you have to arrive at it. It should be. When Av will come, only when there is a O. So V is O, Vishnu, you put it immediately. Remember the reverse rule. If it is O is there only, how could have come? So Vishnave, if it is there, Vishnu must have been there. And Parapadam has to be A. That is, any Achavarna, here A must be there. Now, Tasya plus Astu. Supna.
Yeah. Tasya plus I plus Astu.
Tasya.
In the place of I.
No, okay.
Tasya.
Yes.
Then I will come in the place of I. So it will become Tasya Yastu.
Tasya Yastu. Very good. Very correct. Next, Madam Uma. Devau plus iti. Vau.
De, the plus A plus V plus au plus E plus T.
E plus T and all don't do at all.
Okay.
Yanta Vanda Paravarna as is intact. Don't do waste time.
So it is au plus Achvarna. Au plus.
Au, what is the replacement? Au.
Au.
In the place of au, what you should put? Au.
Au. Okay.
Au will come. So Dev plus
Devau Ti.
Deva Viti. Iti is there, Iv is there. Deva Viti. See, De, Iv, Pakarasya, and the Halant letter Iv is there. Then Av you have put. So Iv plus what? Deva. Yakaram is there. Okay. Sorry, vakaram is there. Vakaram plus iti, viti. Ba plus e, vi. So, viti. So, deva, viti. Next, sir, kate plus upavishati.
Cut plus A, so Ekara.
Very good.
Uh,
Very good. Cut
Ekara
plus.
will become
Only at
I.
that stop. Other things are very easy.
Uh,
Cut plus
uh,
a. So,
cut
cut
plus
plus
A becomes I.
I. So,
Cut,
kata plus
kata,
e. Kata plus
kata
e.
plus, kata
E.
plus, wait a minute. Yeah, I, it becomes I. I. So I
No,
plus U.
you.
Ka,
You.
U. Kate plus
So,
Upa Vishati, no?
kata yupa vishati. Kata yupa
Yupa
vishati.
Vishati. Ha, kata Yupa
Kata
Vishati.
yupa vishati. Very good.
Vishati.
Madam ji, prabhate.
Ah,
Swapna.
just a minute. Prabhat plus A plus Uttishtati. Give me a second. So A becomes I. What? Okay. So it becomes Prabhata Yuttishtati.
Correct. Prabhata yushtita. You. Instead of u, you will be you. Yushtita. You
Yuttisht.
yuttishtati. Yuttishtati. Prabhata yuttishtati. Okay, if you look at it, unlike Yan Sandhi, here previous letters are all Akara letters because I, Au, Av only. So Yava will be there. So you will be thinking whether it can be An, but previous letter there it is always a half letter. Here it is always a Akara letter. Either Akaram will be there. Okay, yeah. This clue you keep in your mind because many people end up doing the Yan, trying to do. This yanta vanta will be quite confusing unless you are very clear about what is coming, what can be there. If what would have been there because of this, it has changed. This is very important concept.
Madam, Kshamatam, this kate, actually it's half turn, cut plus A.
Cut plus A. A becomes
So it,
what? I. A becomes I.
no. I'm talking about the Vyanjana cut.
It all here to start with the cut only will be there. But you are adding I. So it becomes kata. When you add that akaram will join with it, no? So
No, but when you split it,
plus
when I split it, it becomes cut plus A.
Yes. Correct. Cut. Yeah, you're right. But
So
when
it
you
is half.
join
It is
it,
half Vyanjana.
But
you're
finally,
right.
whether half letter
Correct.
is visible,
But the final letter will not
finally
be
there will
half,
be no
no?
half letter. You see, because you are adding akaram, no? I, au, au. So the akaram will join with the half letter and it will become a full letter. Okay. Whereas in the case of Yan Sandhi, it will never be the full letter. Purva letter will be only half letter. I will give you.
Okay.
You go through. Just
Okay.
write this clue. And I'm not going to give where you want to join also, I can give. You can try that also.
Okay.
But where you want to split is very, very important. That is the crux of the problem. Okay. Next one, Grihe Asit.
I'll try, ma'am. I'm not clear on
You
this.
wanted to-
It's graha plus ha plus a plus asit.
A will become I. Griha plus I. Join them now.
Vasit.
Griha Yasit. E will become Ya. Yakaram plus Akaram will become Yakaram.
Yakaram.
So Griha Yasit.
Yasit.
Okay. Next, sir. Stulav Etau.
L plus O. L plus O. So that becomes O becomes Av. Skulaeto.
Super. Very good. Very good. Te plus Atra. Madam Swapna.
A plus Atra is it plus A plus Atra. A is IA. So it is Tayatra.
Tayatra. E plus A, Yakaram, it becomes Tayatra. Madam, Dhiro plus Api.
Dhira plus O plus Api.
Mm.
O plus A. Wo.
O becomes au.
Au. Dhirvaupi.
The au no dira au becomes no dir plus a is that dira va plus api
Dira Papi.
papi dira vapi.
Dira Papi.
I arrive at it. Okay, write it. Dir first put a dir plus o becomes au. So dira has come. U plus api vapi. So dira vapi. That letter previous in Yanta Vanta, you will not get a half letter because au, av, ai will take care of half letter and become akara ending letter. So you will never get a half letter. Unlike Yensen. Okay, so at this point I will stop it. I will put two homework to you. One Sandhi homework, Thoda Bada will be there, 70, 80 letters will be there. Try, attempt whatever you want. Answer also I will send it to you. You can try to attempt it. Wherever you don't know, mark it and ask me why it is come like this. That is very important. And we will go through it next week. First thing, we will go through the homework. And I want to put some number, no, Sankhya Vachakam and this Purana Pratyantam. I have not given any homework. Those two I will try to put today. So homework first next week, because as you rightly told, we have not done homework for a long time. Sir, tell the prayer, sir.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Sarvesham Swastir Bhavatu Sarvesham Shantir Bhavatu Sarvesham Mangalam Bhavatu. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Harihi Om. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Namah Shivaya.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavada. Punarbala.
Thank you.